In the vibrant town of Unityville, people from diverse backgrounds lived together, each with their unique skills and talents. The heartbeat of Unityville was a towering ancient oak tree, symbolizing their interdependence and strength as a community. One bright morning, a young girl named Lily set out to assist her elderly neighbor, Mr. Thompson, in tending his garden. With a warm smile, she weeded the flower beds and watered the plants, brightening Mr. Thompson's day. Grateful for her kindness, he decided to help Alex, a struggling artist, by offering him a space in his garage to work on his creations. Encouraged by Mr. Thompson's generosity, Alex later volunteered his skills to coach Mia, a talented but shy musician, in performing at the town's upcoming talent show. Mia's heartfelt melodies enchanted the audience, and among them was Robert, a skilled carpenter who was moved by her passion. Robert saw that Mia needed a proper stage for her performances. He collaborated with Mia and Alex to design and construct the perfect stage in the park. As a result, Unityville's park became a hub for creativity and expression. Word of these acts of cooperation spread rapidly, and the people of Unityville felt inspired to do more for one another. They organized community events, shared resources, and supported those in need, cementing Unityville's reputation as a harmonious town. One fateful day, a devastating storm threatened to wreak havoc on Unityville. The entire community rallied together, using their collective skills to protect their homes and the beloved oak tree. Their combined efforts proved successful, and they emerged from the storm stronger and more united than ever before. During the aftermath of the storm, a weary traveler named Samuel arrived in Unityville. He was a wise elder who had traveled the world seeking stories of harmony and cooperation. Impressed by Unityville's sense of community, Samuel revealed his true identity, a guardian spirit of the ancient oak tree. Touched by the genuine cooperation he had witnessed, Samuel bestowed a gift upon each person, the ability to understand one another deeply. From that day on, Unityville thrived with a newfound sense of empathy and understanding among its people. The tale of Unityville's cooperation spread far and wide, inspiring other towns to embrace the importance of helping each other. The circle of harmony that began with Lily's kindness came back to them in a beautiful and unexpected way.